Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and the name of my channel is Let's Learn with DA instead of Let's Learn Together with DA. It's too long, that's why I changed. Let's Learn with DA. So we are making a girl, we are actually drawing a girl, and she is wearing a bunny ear cap. It's a slow process, but I already make it fast. So you can see and enjoy the process. It's a very cute little girl, and I hope you like it. And if you like the process, please do like, share and subscribe the channel. And you can see it is not very tough process. It is a easy process. If you like practice every day, you will definitely gonna be a pro in this. And that girl is like holding a teddy bear or a small cat toy with her. So watch and enjoy. Putting music in this videos, I like that, but point is key, there is a copyright claim in every music videos, music, not videos, music. So when I put music like extra music in that, so we will get the copyright claim. So I don't understand what is the meaning of that, because I am new on YouTube. So I thought why we like go with this copyright claim. Just talk and talk, and if you like to listen some nonsense words from a person, so then I like to talk every time. No problem. I can speak in Hindi too. I mean, इंग्लिश से ज़्यादा अच्छी हिंदी है मेरी. इंग्लिश भी ठीक ही है, नॉर्मल है, बट चलो. I am making hairs here, eyes. I like this process. I love making drawings. I love drawings cute girls, and you will see that maximum videos of mine are for the cute little girls. I will show sometime my whole process, my whole diary. I will make one video to show my little girl. There is a lot of noise in my street. I can say a few words in a piece. And here I am making. Here I'm making frills here. It's a nice process, cute process, very calm process. You can see. Now it's time for shoes. She is wearing a boots with bow and little dings. Hey, cute cat kitty. Here I'm making eyes of the kitty. And now it's time for date 17th of April 2023 and sign. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's learn with DA. Thanks.